Ladies and anybody with an indoor plumbing system, this is my review of the silver infused pee cloth. When you're hiking, you gotta pee if you're hydrated. You've basically got two choices. You can drip dry, or you can carry paper towels, and then of course you have to pack them out, and ew. So some people swear by these pee funnels that you can use to pee standing up. I have not tried one. Frankly, I'm terrified to do that. So many things could go wrong. So I have this instead. It clips right onto anything you have. You can loop it on. And what it is basically you blot. You can blot with it. This is only for peeing. No number two. It even has this neat little thing you can put your hand through, blot, 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 and then it snaps right back up, goes on your pack. Because it's infused with silver, it doesn't grow any bacteria, and I've never had an issue with odor. I have washed this thing probably 30 or 40 times now. I've had it for 2 years, and I cannot say enough positive things about this. They're only about 10 bucks, and the link will be in the description. If you have tried any of the pee funnels, please tell me which one and tell me how it went, and any tips, because I don't want to pee all over myself. Is it better for me to hold it here?
Your hat
or here?
is disgusting.
Yeah, I know.